Hey, Callie Barker here with another makeup tutorial. Don't forget to follow my other social media platforms. I'm on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok under Brush Off the Shade. For primer, I'm using Yves St. Laurent Blur Primer. Coming at you with a medium coverage foundation. It's Tarte's Amazonian Clay. I'm just blotting it all over my face, and then I'm just gonna lightly pounce the beauty blender that is silicone. Under my eyes, I'm using the Causemetics 5 by Under Eye to help conceal and highlight the darker areas and around my nose because it tends to get a little bit more red, especially in the winter. Going back in with the regular dampened beauty blender, I'm blending underneath my eyes as well as around my nose, where I put the Bye Bye Under Eye and a little bit around where my lips are. I got this GIGI Gorgeous setting powder in my Ipsy bag.
It's cheaper.
I'm about to bake underneath my eyes, so I'm just going to pounce out any fine lines that I had underneath my eyes from Bleach. More banana setting powder. Girl can never have enough banana setting powder. And I freaking forgot to shut my bathroom door, so there's a stupid little towel in the background. I don't know why it bothers me so. Back in with the NYX Butt Naked palette, I'm using the darker shimmer blush for my upper cheekbones. I have more of an oval face, so I put my blush high on my cheekbones as well as bring it a little bit farther down inside my face. And the trend is now to put it a little bit as well as on your nose. So I put it a little bit on my nose already. Now I'm going to go in and do Kat Von D's 24-hour Super Brow Pomade and my Anastasia Beverly Hills number 14 Brow Brush. I'm just gonna speed through my eyebrows since you guys have seen me do them all the time. I start off with the bottom and then I move on to the middle of the top and get that arch in and then work towards the center from the middle of my eyebrow, like so. Using Anastasia Beverly Hills Moonchild palette, I'm using the Pink Heart, this wonderful highlighter, and this highlighter brush. Look at that shimmer already on top of the blush that I used. Buff Collection eyeshadow. I'm using these two darker colors, these dark pink colors And then this mauve color and this other pink color, I'm using a smudger to put the darker color in first. I forgot to tape my face, so I'm just putting a little tape under my eye to the points of my eyebrows to keep some fallout off my cheekbones, as well as hopefully getting that really sharp line that I don't have to blend out or wipe out because I already did my foundation and my blush. Using those two darker colors that I pointed out first, I smudged out that dark brown in with this lighter brown color. Now in with MaryKay's eyeshadow, like little eyeshadow pot. It comes as a little metallic eyeshadow, which I think is a great adhesive for light colors if you're going to use another eyeshadow palette to just really adhere and stick to. So I'm going back in on top of that with, I'm putting the glitter on top of that until I like how the glitter looks. Not gonna lie, there was some fallout from the glitter, so as I was putting on the second dark brown color underneath my eyes, I was brushing some of the glitter off. So that's what you're seeing on my upper eyelid. And I am the worst at putting lashes on. These are Ardell Wispies that I'm using, and a pair of double-sided tweezers that I got in my Ipsy bag. I'm so lucky I didn't poke myself in the eye. Usually I do, and then half cry my lashes off already. I'm using the lip liner from the Kylie Causemetics Lip Combo Duo Set in the color Angel. Too Faced Melted Liquid Lipstick is like a cushion. It is velvet. It is brown, luxurious cream on your lips. Oh man, I can't say enough about this stuff. It looks fabulous with the bronzer that I used. I'm finishing up with Badescu's and the pink cardigan on my cheekbone to more some more Thrive Causemetics lash extensions for my bottom eyelashes. And I kind of cried off my left one. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to see more videos, please hit the subscribe button and turn the post notifications on. Thank you so much. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and let me know what other type of makeup looks you want to see. Next Monday I'll have another video here, so don't miss it.